My name is Katya. I'm a hair educator at CHI BALTICS FAROUK Systems. Today I want to tell you about amazing biggest innovation, LG CHI COLORMASTER Factory.
Hi, my name is Carlis and I'm a hair educator for CHI Baltics. So my first impression about LG CHI COLORMASTER Factory is that this machine gives you endless opportunities to work with your client and create endless formulas. It gives you 30,000 already prepared formulas and you can adjust them to make them individually for your client. You create a special formula for your client and you save it on the machine and the machine remembers it. And you can adjust it next time if the client asks for it. Or you can do it the same and create happy your client every time.
Why you need this color factory in your salon? Well, first of all, it's amazing. It saves you money. You don't need to use 100 tubes of the color, you need to use only 12. It saves the space, it saves your time to preparing the formula, and it's planet friendly.
So guys, today we are presenting you something that never happened in hair world before. LG CHI COLORMASTER is something that is the future for the hairdressing. We're having a machine that is creating a color without pushing out any tube that you do every day.
It is easy to use. Every stylist has its own profile, so you save every note of each of your client. The access to the tablet is for every smartphone. Your salon will have support 24/7, full time.
I'm working for the hairdresser already more than 20 years. Did you know that we are wasting our color more than 30% daily basis? So actually, if I'm thinking about myself, it's like 20 years that I'm coloring hair, so it should be huge big bunch of color that I'm just throwing out. This machine gives you a precise formula that you use for your client and you adjust the amount of color that you use for the next time so that you can be super precise and you don't have anything to throw it out.